Everybody, we are back to do the unboxing for the month of August, and this month we have also the icon box, which comes quarterly, so we will get into that and see who is the celebrity that put it together, our box. So for the Ipsy for the month of August, we are going to be celebrating the theme of the Beauty Olympics, and I have my Ipsy here ready to unbox with you guys here. So we're going to open it up together. And for the Ipsy glam bag, it is 5 full deluxe samples, and it's worth value up to $70, and it costs $14 a month, and you get to choose one of your items in your package here for the glam bag. So here is the cute glam bag, and look how beautiful it is. And we will see what we have for this month. Let's see if I have an, oh yeah, there's one more item here. See, that's why you always have to make sure that you have everything. So the first item for my glam bag, because this doesn't fit inside, we're going to open it up. This is a makeup, yeah, a makeup brush. And look how beautiful it is. Look, it's so soft. I think it's really perfect for, like, you know, for you when you do the eyeshadows, or even when you're putting in your concealer. And it's really nice detailing. Like, look at those stones right there. I can't figure out, oh, I think it says here Miss Glam, and it's, yeah, and it is an eyeshadow brush. So I was really perfect on that, guessing what it was for. And yeah, so the second item I have for my glam bag, this is the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil. So this is pink quartz, and look how nice the lip oil looks. And it has like a nice minty scent to it. And maybe if I put some on, yeah, it does have like a nice mint scent, and it feels like minty on my lips as well. So that is nice, lip oil. And the third item here we have, this is from Y, or should I say YC or BC, I'm not sure, collection. And this is I think from, yes, this is a highlighter. Yep, it's a highlighter. Let's watch this beauty. Look how beautiful that is. Really nice. And I think it's even perfect, like if we wanna, whoa, did you see that? I'm putting some here, I'm putting some on the other side. Oh wow, it is blinding. I love highlighters. They just give you this nice, oh, and even if you apply more, why not? I mean, it just gives you this beautiful glow to your skin. Yes, so now we have 2 more items here, and this is the Pore Professional Matte Primer. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is, I think, their recent new primer, and this is matte. So I'm excited to try that, because it's always nice to have a new primer, and this, especially if it's mattifying, like, you know, if you have oily skin and you want to have it matte. So yeah, always go for a matte primer. And this is Cara Moon Flower Melon Super Hydrate Serum, and this has hyaluronic acid, melon extract. So I'm excited to try this brand because I've heard so much wonders about it. And now we are going to head into open up Ipsy by Boxycharm. This is the Ipsy by Boxycharm, and you get to choose 3 products, and you get 5 full-size products, and it's a cost worthly of $30 a month, and the value worth of the box is $200. So let's see what we have for the month of August here. And this is the pamphlet, because it's Beauty Olympics, so this is what we get in the pamphlet right here. And we get to see what inside, a little bit of, like, you know, previews here of what could be inside our variation. And I just wanted to remind you guys that my Ipsy is currently, to me, gifted, so I'm so always excited and happy to share with you guys what I get for the month of August, or for any month. And I'm always hoping to see what you guys get as well. So let me know in the comments if you have tried also any of these products, right? Also, there's add to the cart, because, like, you know, you could do shopping, get good deals. And the best part here we have for you guys is a sneak preview for September. So just a little sneak preview of what you could get for September if you're planning into getting for next month. So let's see what we have for the box of August here in Boxycharm. So the first item is Be Your Own Desire, and this is 3 makeup brushes, and let's open and see how they look. Whoa, it is really, really soft, and I'm guessing this could be good for like contouring and all that, but it's such a nice quality of brush. And it's always exciting to get makeup brushes because why not? Like, more is good for us, right? Especially even like, you know, when you get makeup, it's always exciting to get more because we can never say no, right? The second item we have here, this is a mini mix palette unconditional, and this is from Orpha. Yeah, Orpha. It says X Hot Mess Mama. So this is like from this creator here. Like she's the one, I've seen her videos here on YouTube, and she's the one that created, is behind the creation of this palette. So this is like a mini mix. Yeah, it's mini mix. It has eyeshadows, it has blush, bronzer, highlighter. It has really nice gorgeous pigments of, oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at the highlighter. Like, it's really, really, like, really shimmery. Like, you can see, oh my goodness. I'm excited to give this palette a try because I see mattes and they definitely look so beautiful. I love how she put it up, all those colors together to make this lovely look for us. You know, like, I think you could use this daily. I'm just guessing, but I myself would because I love to experiment, right? So let's see. Yep, this is my third item here. This is Vacation Classic Lotion. This is SPF 30. Always a must to have a sunscreen daily. It's always important. And this is my fourth. This is Better Than Sex. This is Too Faced, and this is mascara. And yeah, this is just a black mascara. So I have one of these currently, so I will let you guys know. But I think I don't, wait, well, I think I did try it, and it is really good. It gives you nice volume to your eyelashes. And we have our last product. This is Love and Craft Beauty, and this is Retouchable Lip Liner Brush. Wow. Okay, so it has a brush. That's what it means. So one, and there's a brush, right, to help with like when you're like diffusing or blending out the lip liner. And over here we have the liner, which is like a nice nude. You can see it, right? So yeah, that is all for my Boxycharm. And now let's get into the last box, which I'm so excited to share with you guys, is the icon box. In the icon box we have right here, this is 8 full-size products, and this is value worth of $350, and it costs quarterly $60. So it's always exciting because we get 8 full-size products, and this is always put together by a celebrity. But this month we also got extra goodies in this time of the month. This is Loved 01, and this is a exfoliating cleanser, and it says here in the back that you could also apply it to your face. So this is good for your whole like body, right? And it looks nice. And also, because of the celebrity that put together the box, which I will show you right now, they send us this. This is a cookie mix, and this is the perfect chocolate chip chunk, and this is just to add egg and butter. So it's like very straightforward. I'm looking forward to trying this out soon. I was going to do it today, but there was no chance, and plus it's really humid and heat here. Like, the weather is nice summer weather, but I was saying, you know what, I'm going to hold up a little bit until like a little bit cools down here, because yeah, this, I have seen people already bake their cookies, and I'm like dying to try this out soon. So I will probably, you know what, maybe not even wait, maybe sooner than expected I'll do these. But they have other cooking mix in their site, which I'm going to include the details, and even they have a code for you guys if you want to do shopping on their website of the brand that I'm going to have everything here in my description here in the bottom. So let's get into opening up the icon box. And for this theme of the icon box this time is Chrissy and John, Live Like a Legend. And basically they tell you straightforward, like little sneak peeks here, like of the products or what they like and everything else. And it says easy bake because see, as I was talking to you, they have the easy bake, which is the craving. See, that's the brand of where the cookie came from, the cookie mix came from. And they have other things that are available, so if you love to cook and bake, that is for you then. And also, yeah, they have more information of even what you could get in your icon box. So I'm excited to get into this box, and it's really nice to see that they were the ones that put the box together for us. So let's see what we have in the first item. The first item is Fenu, and this is a cleansing gel. This is a nice face cleanser, and always I think it's a must to have a nice cleanser, like always trying a new one, right? So I'm excited to give this one a try. Next item is MC Skin, and this is calming moisturizer. Let's open and see how it looks. This is how she looks, and it's a glass container, so it's heavy, and I'm excited to give this one a try because I have seen, let's see, oh, it looks like it doesn't have scent, but look at the nice texture. It has this beautiful, gorgeous texture. It looks so fancy. I'm going to give this a try very soon when I finish the one I'm working on. The third item we have here, this is the Orne, and this is the multi-peptide eye serum. So let's see. Oh, always nice to take care of our eye area because it's really delicate, and eye serum is a must for me, especially when we are mom. We get so busy, sometimes we sleep a little bit, or sometimes, you know, you wake up rushing and you look tired and stuff. This is really interesting. I'm gonna give this one a try. And my, let's see, yeah, this is the fourth item here. Sorry, yeah, here. This is Kate Perky. This is collagen gel and lift and fill form control. Nice. Kate Perky, I heard they have nice really skincare, and it looks so fancy, the packaging. Oh, I cannot wait to try this out. This is my, oh, two more items here. We have all done for this month. So this is Beso Balm, and this is Ultra Hydrating Lip Mask, and this is from JLo Beauty. Let's see if we could open this. It smells really sweet. I don't know if you could see, but it kind of has like, no, it has no shimmer. It just, yeah, it has no shimmer. No shimmer, but it feels like it has like a nice texture. Yeah, I cannot wait. Lip masks are a must. You, like, I always wear them daily because that's what keeps your lips looking amazing. This is Elimage Color Boss Master Palette. Let's open this beauty up and see. Gorgeous. Look at the mattes and shimmer. So beautiful. I am excited and cannot wait to try this out. And last, oh no, not last, I have two more and we're finished with this. So this is Final Call Frizz Stock Control Mist, and this is Dry Bar brand. So this is a nice hair spray. So I'm gonna need this spray because my hair gets so frizzy. So especially with this humid, like it feels like it goes everywhere. Like honestly, this is gonna be in use very soon. So lastly we have the Nessa Merrick's Beauty, and this is the eyeliner, like liquid eyeliner. Let's see, this is how she looks. Fancy packaging, and we're gonna, oh, look at that. She is pigmented. I am obsessed. I love everything I receive for this month in August in Ipsy, and I think you guys need to jump into this, you know, beauty subscription, because there's always something exciting. There's always, it could be hair products, it could be skincare, it could be like beauty, and you know what, even little goodies, I got surprises. But I'm just telling you, you could not miss out in this opportunity to try out so many brands that you never tried before. But then after, it helps you like to say, okay, if I love this brand, I'm gonna continue, I'm gonna rebuy it, right? Repurchase, that's what I mean. But I'm just obsessed and I love everything. So you guys need to check out Ipsy, and I will have all the information in my description here below. So I hope you guys are having a beautiful summer and are also getting ready for back to school. We have this month, and then next month our kids are back to school. So enjoy the little bit of summer you have, and take care, and we will be seeing you soon.